Welcome to the Sunrise Marketing mobile app platform, where cutting-edge AI technology meets the garden center industry. Our platform leverages the power of AI to generate engaging content, analyze user data, and deliver personalized experiences, ensuring your garden center thrives in the digital age. Make it your own. Our app is fully customizable, allowing your garden center to shine with its unique branding. From logos to personalized themes, it's your garden center's app. Stand out from the crowd with your own branded digital platform. Unlike generic social media, our app ensures your brand is front and center, giving you full control over your customer experience. Our app serves as a central hub, providing a seamless experience for your customers. From instructional videos and articles to photo uploads and interactive content, we have it all. Boost customer loyalty with our integrated rewards program. Engage users through photo uploads, questions, and polls, fostering a vibrant community around your garden center. Monitor your garden center's performance with AI-assisted app reports. Track sales, measure the effectiveness of incentives, and gain valuable insights to optimize your business strategy. See the impact. Our Super Tuño summer promotion in partnership with proven winners drove app downloads and customer engagement through social media, email marketing, and in-store displays. Our pollinator program is a testament to the power of AI. From logo design and content creation to marketing strategies and data analysis, AI tools help develop this program in record time to meet the retailer's specific request. Transform your app into a personal gardening assistant with AI-driven chatbots. Our advanced AI can answer FAQs, provide detailed plant information, and offer personalized gardening advice on plants, care and culture, and even provide design ideas, all powered by large language models trained on industry-standard databases. Enhance your customer shopping experience with in-app purchasing and tailored push notifications. Keep them updated on new products and special promotions directly through the app. Hear from just a few of our satisfied customers.
We absolutely love the app. We like it because it's user-friendly. It brings people back into our store. Not only that, it keeps them up to date on all events, workshops, everything that we have to offer. And honestly, it's a screaming deal. So why wouldn't you sign up and be part of the whole entire Town and Country Club?
Hi, it's Donna from Scenic Roots. I just want to let you know and show you how easy it is to use our new check-in at our phone app. You just hit the check-in when you upload our app, scan the QR code, and you're checked in. Just that easy.
Our AI-powered apps are designed to supplement your staff, freeing up time for more face-to-face interactions with customers. This enhances the shopping experience and builds your brand as a trusted partner in enjoying your garden more. We've even used AI to write custom code for garden center specific features, ensuring our platform meets your unique needs. Visit our website to schedule a demo and learn how the Sunrise Marketing mobile app platform can transform your garden center.